Everybody, welcome to day two. All right, day two, you are going to be looking at a series of videos and answering questions based off those videos. We're going to do that in Google Forms. So you're going to open up that Google form. Also in that assignments table, it has the videos itself on YouTube. If you don't feel like opening up those, they are actually embedded in the Google form that I have right here. I'll show you that in a second. So let's get started. First, you just simply put in your name right here. You hit next. All right. And this is what I mean. The video is already right there. So it's in the assignments table as a separate link, but it's also right here in the actual form. So you don't need to open up the YouTube link if you do not want to. It is right here. So video number one, okay, watch the video. What is the video's main points about how borders are created? What is it saying about what societies and governments are thinking about when they are establishing borders? Okay, what's the main ideas? It's about 6 minutes long. All right, so it's definitely worth more than a one sentence explanation. I would say probably about 3 to 5 sentences explaining the main points and what um, about what it's saying would be sufficient. All right, so after you answer that, you would hit next and you'll come up to the second video. All right, watch this video again. It's about another 6 or 7 minutes long. Okay, what is this? What are the main points of this video? Now, they're completely different. They're about the same general topic, but they have different ideas that are being introduced. Okay, so you answer that question, you type it in. I'm just going to write gibberish. Okay, this would not be an acceptable answer. Don't do this. Okay, after you do that, you hit next. All right, compare and contrast. Now you have those two videos again that you just watched. So if you remember what they say, that's fine. Okay, but they're here for you again in case you need a refresh of what was going on there. Which video focuses more on physical and natural borders? Provide evidence from the video. So of these two videos, which one talks more about physical and natural borders? If you forget what a physical and natural border is, take a look at the assignment from yesterday. Okay, that explains what those are. All right. So to answer this, you would say the video that focuses more on physical and natural borders is the why countries exist, or the how borders come to be. And then you say provide evidence from the video. You would answer that. For example, in why countries exist, it talks about X, Y, and Z. Or, for example, in how borders come to be, it talks about X, Y, and Z. Tell me about the physical borders and natural borders it talked about in that particular video. All right, and then the second question, which video focuses more on cultural borders? Provide evidence from the video. Same exact thing. Okay, the how borders are created, how borders come to be focuses more on cultural borders, or why countries exist focuses more on cultural borders, and then provide evidence from the video, explain what that video says that caused you to answer the way that you did. Once you have these questions answered, you hit submit. Once again, these questions should not be answered with just one sentence. Okay, 3 to 5 sentences would be good, sufficient. All right, so that is your assignment for day two. I will see you tomorrow.